Amazon's Prime Big Deal Days are here, and I'm sharing 25 of my absolute favorites from the sale that make life easier around the home. Now, I love any sale, but this one especially because since it's right before the holidays, it's a good one to maybe get some people checked off of our list and save in the process. Now, I'm gonna have everything linked in the description below. I will also pin them to the comments, and I have a QR code on the screen if you're watching on TV, or if it's just easier to take a picture of that, everything will be linked right there as well. Now, keep in mind, deals are subject to change at any time, but the good news is I think everything on this list is worth full price, but hopefully we're getting them at a discount. Let's check them out. We're gonna kick it off with one of my favorite products by Ninja, the Ninja SLUSHi. This one is so cool, pun fully intended. So what you do is you pour in the liquid of your choice and it will turn it into a slushie. In the summertime, we love to do lemonade for frozen lemonade or root beer for a fun take on root beer floats. But then heading into the holidays, especially if you host parties, you could do apple cider at Halloween or Thanksgiving, or at Christmas, I love to do eggnog. It's super refreshing. This one is so easy to use and it's really easy to clean as well. Number 2, the Skylight Calendar. This one is so good if you have busy families and it's hard to keep track of what everybody is doing. This one works through an app on your phone as well, so when you're not home, you can still access the calendar, see who has what going on, but you can also do to-do lists on here, grocery lists. So if you're at the grocery store and you forget what's on the list, you just pull it up on the app and you'll be able to see it. It has chore charts, so everybody in the family can have their chores, check them off. It's very user-friendly, even kids can use this. And what I love is that it's color coordinated. So at a glance, I can look right at the calendar. If I see pink, I know that's me. Blue is my son, green is my husband. So it just keeps us all on track, allows everybody sort of to know what's going on that week. You can do meal planning. And then the best part is it's also a digital frame. So when it's not in use, it still has a purpose. If you don't just want the calendar to be showing all the time, it can go and show pictures then as well. Now, before I get to number 3, I should have prefaced this all by saying these are in no particular order, so forgive me that I'm a little all over the place with these. So for number 3, we're going to the kitchen for the chicken shredder. I have shared this in previous videos. I love this thing. I hate to cook, I hate to meal prep, so I need all the gadgets that make that easier, and this one does just that. So I say chicken shredder, but you could put steak in here, you could put really any cooked meat. Give it a little shimmy, it shreds it right up in seconds. Perfect if you're making chicken salad or any recipe where you need, your meat shredded, or just for meal prepping. And it's very easy to clean as well. So I absolutely love this one. I use this all the time. And not only do I love it, but this would also be a really good gift idea. And then staying in the kitchen, another one I've talked about before that I love so much, the 2-in-1 oil dispenser. So we no longer need to buy the spray oils at the store. With this one, you put in whatever oil you want and it can either mist it and spray it, or it has a spout to pour it out. This one I love. I use this every single morning for our eggs, but this is another one that would be a really good gift idea as well. Number 4, one of my favorite stain removers, the Miss Mouth Messy Eater Stain Treater. This one is a dream. You use this, and it'll work on any stain, but fresh stains is where it really shines. It will make them disappear right before your eyes. I love to keep their wipes in my purse, or honestly, the bottle is small enough that you could do that as well. I always have some in the laundry room. It works on yellow armpit stains, ring around the collar, spills, food stains, you name it. Now, I will say, I find it works best on white clothing or very light clothing. I've used it on dark fabrics before and it has slightly faded them. So I always like to let people know that. For colorful fabrics, I like Carbona, which I've talked about before, and I will link that in the description below. That may or may not be on sale, but it's a great one that I don't have to worry about using on colorful fabrics. But for my light colored ones or fresh food stains, I love Miss Mouth. Number 6, active cleaning tablets. You guys know this is a cleaning shortcut I am all for because these work really well and they make them for your washing machine, your dishwasher, your disposal, your coffee maker, you name it, they probably have a tablet to clean it. So we do not need to scrub these areas by hand. Toss in these tablets once or twice a month. They're designed to clean the inner workings of our machines and they work really well. And obviously when we clean our appliances, then they themselves can clean better and they last longer. So I highly recommend these. They're super affordable, but now even better because they are on sale. Number 7, my weighted vests. These have become so popular and for good reason. If you are a walker, you take a walk each day, these are great just to add a little extra challenge. I personally think they really help with your core as well. Your posture, you sort of have to like hold it up a little bit and you'll feel it in the abs, and just a little more calorie burn as well. And it's supposed to help, I think, with like bone density and other things too. But I just love it again for the extra little challenge when I do my evening walks. Number 8, Beckham Pillows. If you're in the market for good pillows, I cannot say enough good things about these. I've always been very Goldilocks and the Three Bears with pillows. Like, they're too hard or they're too soft. These are just right. So they have a cooling memory foam. So if you sleep hot, they are nice because they stay cool, but also you can adjust them to your liking. So if they are too firm, you can remove some of the shredded memory foam inside to make them more soft. They really are pliable and moldable to just your neck and your head and just your liking. So I love these. I gift these to people. For our guest bedroom, I have them. They are all I will use. They are my favorite. Number 9, my little fridge deodorizer that I talk about all the time. This is on sale. You guys, this is gonna last you for 10 years. A box of baking soda has to be replaced monthly if you go that route. So this is much more cost effective and it looks better. And I personally think it works better. You just sit it in the back of your fridge and it will get rid of odors. My husband has a carton of strawberries every morning. And so we have a ton of strawberries always in the fridge. They always stink. I pop this in there. The smell is gone. It works so well. And again, like I said, it's gonna last you 10 years, so it's super cost effective. Number 10, the best shower cap. This is also really good for travel and would make a really good gift idea. So this is by Kitsch, and what I love about this is you don't have to pull your hair up, which ends up leaving it creased. You can keep your hair down and it'll all just fall inside. It has a silk lining that's gentler on hair, and then you just roll it down. It has a wire like piece around the top, so it like bends in. It completely seals it off so your hair stays dry and crease-free. Best shower cap out there. Number 11, the best portable charger. This is another one that's a really good gift idea. This is by Rory. They come in a ton of colors. And what's really nice with this one is it has 2 different charging ports to charge a variety of different phone types, but also it can charge your Apple Watch as well. And I love the thin design because then it's very easy to still fit inside of a small purse or a small bag. Number 12, the best carpet and upholstery cleaner, the Shark Stain Striker. I've shared this one so many times. It has not let me down yet, and let me tell you, I have thrown so many messes at this thing. I no longer fear about having spills and stains because I know this will get them out. Red wine, coffee, marinara, mustard, makeup, which makeup is so hard to get out of anything. This handled them all with ease. I also love that it is compact, it's easy to carry around, but it'll work on carpet, couch cushions, chair cushions, inside of your car, you name it, but it is such a good one to have on hand. Number 13, the vacuum steamer that I've shared before. If you need a good garment steamer, this one works so well. Now, this has the ability to be a steamer. However, I will say the water chamber is very small, so I do not love it for an actual steamer. I only use the vacuum setting, and that's all you need because it will basically iron out wrinkles out of your clothing. So it's almost like an upright iron without needing a big bulky iron and a board. It works really quickly and really well. So I love this one. I do have another steamer, which probably is, I'm gonna guess, is maybe also on sale, the one by Butrol. I will link that in the description below. That's a little more affordable and a really great actual like steamer option. You can't go wrong with either. The vacuum steamer maybe works a little faster just again because it is that like ironing component, but both of them are great. Number 14, the active mold and mildew remover. If you have the unsightly black mold and mildew in your shower, you know I love this one. It works so well. You simply apply it, let it sit a couple hours, wipe it away. That area is going to look brand new. I mean, you'll see the before and afters here. So, you can have your shower as clean as you can get it, but if you have the black mold and mildew, it's always gonna look dirty and kind of gross. So this solves that problem and we'll have it looking new again. And then speaking of the shower, number 15, my favorite ceramic coating spray by LifeProof. This is gonna keep your glass shower doors cleaner longer because what it does is it puts this transparent barrier on there that allows water to just slide right off. Now, I do still recommend squeegeeing to get all of the water off, but it prevents that soap scum and hard water from building up as easily, so your shower doors will stay cleaner longer and you can scrub them a lot less often. Number 16, the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This is such a good powerhouse multi-use cleaner to have for around your home. Now it is abrasive, so always check the packaging to see what you can use it on first, but it has a ton of uses. It's really good, just like the bottom of burnt pots and pans. I've had it get that clean, or just messy pots and pans in general. You can use this for rust on like hinges, things like that. Sometimes marks on certain surfaces. So again, check the bottle to see what all you can use it on, but it's just a really good multi-use cleaner to have on hand. Number 17, the Full Star Veggie Chopper. Again, if you hate to meal prep, this one really is gonna save you time. It comes with 2 sets of blades that'll cut into like different size chunks, but there's also a spiralizer, which is really nice. And then I love that everything just collects in the bin below, and it's easy to store with all the compartments, like everything together in the bin as well. But it just cuts your prep time in half. Simply, lay your veggies or fruit on there, press it down, it's gonna cut them quickly, so no more having to chop all of these things by hand. Number 18, the Paint Touch-Up Pens by Slob Proof. I cannot recommend these enough. Anytime we paint a new area in our home, I just go ahead and make these up. They come 2 to a pack. You just load your paint in, you can label it with what it is, and then anytime you have a chip or something you have to touch up, you just brush this on, put the cap back on, and it'll stay fresh. It won't dry out. So absolutely love these, and trust me, it is very satisfying to do this as well. Number 19, one of my fitness favorites, my vibration plate. So these are said to have a bunch of different benefits. I really love it for lymphatic drainage and circulation, but I also feel like it helps with my core and my balance as well. So you can do it like 10 minutes a day. I like to use it after a workout. I stand on it for 10 minutes, and then I'll sort of like sit on it or rest my calves on it for 10 minutes, and then I plank on it for like a minute or 2, because that one's really challenging. I'm building up to more. But again, it just gets the lymphatic drainage going, helps with balance, other benefits too, but overall, I just love how it feels. I look forward to using this each day. Number 20, my favorite, Nightlights, which not something I ever thought I'd say. This is adulting when you love a nightlight, but these come 2 to a pack, and they're just so pretty. I keep one in our kitchen, one in our powder room, and what I love is they don't come on unless it's dark, and they have a dimmable switch on the side, so if you don't want it fully, bright, you can dim it down as well. But it's just nice at night when the lights are off that these automatically come on and provide just a little extra light, but then they look cute in the process. Number 21, the Levoit Air Purifier. If you want a good, affordable air purifier option, this is a great one. Now, this is a little smaller, so more perfect, I'd say, for small rooms or an office area, if you will, but it's just a good way to clean the air. And bonus, they can help cut down on dust as well, so hopefully then you can dust a little less often too. Number 22, the Shark Wandvac handheld vacuum. I'm often asked, what is my favorite handheld vacuum? This is one of them. A, because it works really well. The suction is very strong. But B, I love the design of it. It looks cute sitting out, but it's just a nice slender design, so it's not crazy heavy. Sometimes because of canister size, a lot of them can get heavy. This one really isn't at all, but it still works really well. Number 23, one of my favorite multi-use cleaning tools, this triangular mop with the corner piece that bends up. And where this is really nice to use is the toe kick area under cabinets, but it's also great for like the trim on the top of cabinets, your baseboards. You can use this to clean walls, floors, windows. It has a ton of uses. It comes with 6 reusable microfiber pads. And again, just a good little multi-use tool to use all over your home. Number 24, the Mattress Vacuum. Now, don't be fooled by the name, because you can use this one for places other than the mattress, but it's nice for a mattress because it has a UV light to kill dust mites and vibrating plates that'll shake loose the dirt so that it can suck it up. And the design makes it easy just to run across a mattress, but I love this also for, fabric headboards, your car seat cushions, a couch cushion, chair cushion, benches, or even on the floor. If you look down and you're like, oh, there's some crumbs, you could use it on that. So definitely a good little one to have on hand. And then speaking of vacuums, our last item, number 25, the car vacuum by This Works. I love this one because you just keep it right in your car. It hooks into like the little car charging port. It doesn't work anywhere but the car, I will say, so it doesn't have like a traditional outlet, but it has a 15-foot cord, so it can easily reach from the front all the way to the back. I love this in the summer, especially to clean up sand after the beach or grass or dirt after a day at the park. But it's just nice and handy and a good way to help keep your car clean, because it's easier to stay on top of messes when you have this just at the ready in your trunk. All right, and that does it. And of course, this is just skimming the surface. There are so many more deals going on throughout today and tomorrow. So I will be updating my Amazon storefront. The link to that will be in the description below, along with everything you saw here today. And I'll pin that to the comments. But I will be updating and having all the deals organized by category, if that makes it easier for you to shop. Again, hopefully you find either something for yourself or maybe something for the people on your gift list for the holiday season. Hit the thumbs up button if this was helpful, and I will see you in my next video, and happy shopping.